Today topic is Nernst equation for electrode potential. We write here Nernst equation for electrode potential. Other name of this topic is effect of electrolyte concentration. Electrolyte concentration and temperature. We write effect of electrolyte concentration and temperature on the electrode potential. On the electrode potential. It is a heading in two form. First form is Nernst equation for electrode potential. Other form is effect of electrolyte concentration and temperature on the electrode potential. We write definition in 1889. In 1889, Nernst gave a relationship. We write in 1889, Nernst gave a relationship between electrode potential and concentration. We write in 1889, Nernst gave a relationship between electrode potential and concentration of electrolyte solution. Electrolyte solution known as Nernst equation for electrode potential. It is only called Nernst equation. It is a introduction of Nernst equation for electrode potential. We write for a general reaction. We write for a general, here introduce electrode reaction. We write for a general electrode reaction Mn plus Aq plus Ne minus gives Ms. It is a reduction potential. It is a concentration of ion, or it is a ion and it is a electrode. Now we apply Nernst equation for electrode reaction. Here we write the Nernst equation. The Nernst equation is applied as. We write the Nernst equation is applied as. ठीक, अब देखिए क्या है, देखिए यहाँ we write E m n plus upon m. It is called electrode potential. Here we write E naught m n plus upon m. It is called a standard electrode potential. Here we write RT upon NF natural log. It is called log natural log concentration of electrode upon concentration of ion. We repeat again. We again ask. It is called electrode potential. It is called a standard electrode potential RT upon NF. It is called natural log. It is called concentration of electrode, and it is called concentration of ion in the solution. Now this log change in general log. Therefore we write E m n plus upon m is equal to E naught mn plus by m minus 2.303 RT by NF. General log concentration of electrode upon concentration of ion in the solution. Here we write natural log x is equal to 2.303 general log x. If natural log converted into general log, a constant is multiplied in general log, which is 2.303. Now we write where electrode potential. It is called electrode potential. Now we write E naught ion upon electrode is equal to, this zero indicate a standard electrode potential. R is equal to gas constant, T is equal to absolute temperature, N is equal to number of electrons gained during we write number of electrons gained during the electrode reaction. F is equal to Faraday constant. F is equal to Faraday constant. It is called molar concentration of electrodes. Molar concentration of electrode or metal, we write here. We write molar concentration of ions in the solution. We write substituting. The value से आइए नीचे फ्लो में we write substituting the value of R, T and F Nernst equation. We write substituting the value of R, T and F Nernst equation at 25 degrees Celsius becomes, here we write Nernst equation E. This indicates electrode potential. Here we write a standard electrode potential. Here we write 2.303. We write the value of R 8.314 and 298 calorie upon N into 965 coulomb. Here we write law concentration of molar concentration of electrode upon molar concentration of ion. Now we write E M plus upon M. This indicates as electrode potential. Here we write E naught Mn plus upon M. This indicates a standard electrode potential. Now we multiply 3 and divided by 96500, we get 0.0591 upon N log molar concentration of electrode and molar concentration of ion in the solution. In general, the equation becomes we write for pure solids, liquids and gases. We write for pure solids or liquid or gases at 1 atm. We write for pure solids or liquids or gases at 1 atm the molar concentration is taken as unity. यदि सॉलिड लिक्विड और गैस जो है आपको प्योर हो तो मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ, here we write of electrode is taken as unity. We write E m plus upon m is equal to E naught m plus upon m minus 0.0591 upon n log. Here we put unity 1 upon molar concentration of ions in the solution. It is a Nernst equation for electrode potential. Now we write in general form. Here we write E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 upon n log 1 upon molar concentration of ions in the solution. Here we remove 1. अगर चाहिएगा तो आप 1 को रिमूव कर सकते हैं. इट इज ए नेर्नस्ट इक्वेशन फॉर इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल.